Use segments to send content that your subscribers really care about and help increase their engagement. Use the quick menu to jump to your subscribers page. On the side menu, you'll see a list of pre-created segments that are available for you to use right away. To create a custom segment, start by searching for the subscribers you want to send a message to. Click Search to load those subscribers. Add a descriptive name and click to save your segment. Your saved segments will appear on the side menu under the section called By Segment. Use the quick menu to jump over to your Drafts page. When you're ready to schedule and send your message, you'll see a section that reads Who should receive this message. By default, your message will send to all of your active subscribers. Click Edit to change this to your new segment. Click Apply to save your changes, and you're ready to schedule and send your message. What are some cool ways you use or plan to use segments for your list? Share your ideas in the comments.